Hi guys, this is Josh here, and for today's video is I'm going to do the unboxing of our D20 Smartwatch. Let's go! Alright guys, welcome back to our channel again. This is Josh here, and for today's video is we got our D20 Smartwatch and we ordered this one last week and now it is here. So this is the front of the box guys. And I actually bought this one for around $5, and that's around 250 pesos. Okay, so it actually looks like the Y68 smartwatch on our first look at the box. And on the side, so there's nothing. And at the back, so you have here the specifications. We have the display. It has the 1.3 240 by 240 12-pin TFT screen, and data transmission is Bluetooth. Charging interface, it's USB. Weight, okay, that's weight. I think it's 27 grams. Data save time 1 month. Oh my god, there are lots of errors here. And the battery, it's said to have 150 milliamps battery, and strap material is TPU. Alright, so let's unbox it. Alright guys, so this is the manual that we have. Right, so it's in Chinese. And yes, if you have any questions, you can refer to the manual as well, and especially on the charging the bracelet. Yes, and at the back, so you have here the English version. Yes, I'm sorry guys, I hurt my thumb when I tried to help with my dad in making the table. Right, so here is the strap guys. So as you can see here, so we have here the black version, so it's like very flexible and it looks nice and feels nice also guys. And alright, and then we have here our watch guys. So okay, let's remove this one and let's try to turn it on. Right, so it said here Fit Pro, and ta-dan, so we have our D20 smartwatch. So the weight guys, it looks like the Y68 smartwatch. Yes, I'm not sure if they're just the same, but they really look the same guys. And then it has a circular icon at the bottom part. The screen, the bezels are quite large, but I think it's okay. And at the back, so you have here your sensor and also your pins here on top, and there's nothing here. Alright, so let's try to connect guys the watch. And it looks like, I think this one is kind of metal sides guys, the sides. Okay, so let's try to wear this one. Alright, so here it is guys, our D20 smartwatch. Alright, so it feels really light, same as the other smartwatch that we had. And yeah, let's try to look at the features, if there are some new features compared to the other smartwatch. Okay, so let's try to have here, okay, this is the home screen. So you have here the time and also the date, and with some kind of rainbow watch face there. We have here the step, so let's try to long press it. Okay, so we have here the kilometers and the kcal, so and the step counter, if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, so we will be testing this one as well. So let's try to long press this one, and I think it's gonna record our steps whenever we try to walk. And then we have the heart rate, and okay, so Okay, it's quite different with the Y68 guys, because the icon of the Y68 is different from this one, and it has still the SpO2, the mmHg for blood pressure, and the heart rate. Alright, so we will be testing that one out later on. And then we also have here sports, so let's try to long press it. And then we still have run, sit up, skip, yes, and message, yes. Okay, so it said null guys because it's not connected to our application. Alright, and then let's click on more to find out if there's any other feature. So we have here the camera remote control, and looking for, so whenever you are in lost mode, and the theme. Okay, we've got the theme guys. So let's try to long press this one, and yeah, only that. Okay, let's try again. Okay, and I will check it later. And then we also have reset and the QR code to download the application and shut down. Alright, so let's have here. Oh, it can change also the theme, yeah, by just pressing the icon here. Yes, just long press it and you can change to another theme, which is the kind of the 12-hour format. Yes. Alright, so I think guys that would be all for today's unboxing. And then if you have any questions, just comment down below. And also guys, if you like this video, kindly click the like button and also consider subscribing, and kindly wait for more tutorials, especially on how to connect and also how to charge. Once again, this is Josh, and I'll see you soon.